How to open or create Netspend account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in netspend.com and then search for it. With that, you'll be directed to the official website of it. Now, at the bottom side, you're gonna see the option of sign up now. You have to go ahead and click on that option. Now, to get started, type in your email address. After you type in the email address, click on get started. Now, you have to provide your details. Fill this. First up, type in your first name, then type in the last name, then type in your address, type in your zip code, type in your mobile number. After you provide all the details, choose your card. Then you can go ahead and click on create my account, and in the next page you will need to create your username and the password, and after you do that your account will be created. So this is how you can easily register for a Netspend account. That's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.